Hey, good morning guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for checking out the video. So if you haven't seen part 1 and part 2 of this kind of video series of my Colorado Moab trip, please go check those out before you watch this video. But to recap real quick, on part 1 we did Black Bear Pass in Colorado. It was an absolute blast. And then part 2 we wheeled in Moab, and as you can see, we are in Moab right now. I say we, my buddy Thomas has been with me the last few days, running these trails and everything. And he, both of us work for Backwoods, and he is headed out to the Adventure Van Show in Dillon, I believe. And I'm about to head to the Revel Rally in Durango, Colorado. So about a 3-hour drive for me. Yeah, we camped here last night, gonna drive there. Yeah, we're gonna set up the Backwoods booth. This is a all van show, so it's all Mercedes Revels. If you guys don't know what those are, they're a pretty cool van. Talon Sai is gonna be in our booth too. I'm super stoked to meet him. So we're gonna do that. It's gonna be fun, be there a few days. I'll show you guys some cool vans and everything. And then probably in the next few parts, we're gonna begin, next few video series parts, we're gonna begin our camp ride. So it's gonna be myself, Thomas, Ty at Backwoods, and several other like van companies and builders and things. Lindsay in her 4Runner with our new front bumper on there, and roof rack and rooftop tent. So we're all gonna do this camp ride for about 4 days. It's gonna be sick. And then we're actually gonna end up at the Overland Mountain West Expo. It's gonna be sweet. So stay tuned for all that stuff to come in the next few video parts. So all right, gonna get on the road and go to this Revel Rally. Yo, what's up guys? We just made it to the Revel Rally. We're here in Durango, Colorado. Super beautiful outside. We're still waiting on Ty, our sales manager, and the company van. Gonna be parking back here and setting up the tent and everything. But if you can see, this is the Revel Rally. So a bunch of Mercedes Revels are here. And Backwoods, the company I work for, we make a lot of Revel products. Like the front bumper, like this is Talon size van. You guys know Talon. He's running our front bumper, our ladder, and our rear bumper, and super cool guy. I don't know where he went, but yeah, truck's fully set up and dialed. So even though I'm at a Revel van rally showing off the Tacoma, we do have it fully deployed. I don't think I've ever had the awning and everything out, but truck is looking so sick. So yeah, we're just gonna hang out at this show for a while for the rest of the weekend. Maybe I'll give a little tour of Talon's van or whatnot, but yeah, appreciate you guys. It's gonna be really fun. So here's a really quick walk around. I know a ton of you guys are gonna ask about this truck. So got the awning deployed and our rooftop tent up. All the windows open. We are in as much van life mode as humanly possible with the Tacoma. Everything has been working so great on this trip. So far I've put in like 1,300 miles in 3 days. We did Black Bear, just did Moab yesterday. The truck's been killing it. So yep, I'm loving it out here. We got the booth all set up. Got the tent. I made that little banner. Here's Talon's van. Super cool. Got a snork on there. Ladder. Full setup back there. Bed. Super rad. Here's our company van. Obviously our bumper, ladder, roof rack. Yeah, everything's sweet. Here's a pretty cool dragonfly awning that goes with the van. It's pretty sweet. Here's my little area. So got my banner that I made. The truck is completely fully deployed. I don't think I've ever had it like this before, but got the mini rig on display. The Backwoods front bumper and the Pathfinder lights I designed. It's basically the setup. So we're gonna be here for the rest of the weekend, and then Sunday we're gonna head out to Dillon, Colorado to start all of the camp ride awesomeness. So we'll be on a trail, a big trail for a while, going all the way to Loveland, Colorado, where we will be doing our Overland Mountain West Expo. So, gonna be sweet.
It is 1:41 in the effing morning, and Ty is still playing music, loud as hell. Oh my god, I think it's just him and Talon. Like, this is blaringly loud. I'm sure everyone in this entire thing hates us. Why? He's like screaming the lyrics, rapping to freaking Biggie Smalls. Dude.
Good morning, guys. Kind of up early, walking around, checking out all these vans. Man, these vans are actually incredible. The way people have these kitted out is really cool. I mean, absolutely every single luxury possible. And all of them, a lot of them have lifts and KO2s, you know, roof racks, like they're carrying like motos on the back and mountain bikes, and it's just pretty rad. So yeah, I'll try to flip the camera around and show you guys what's up. I did meet Chris from Venture Forward. If you guys follow that YouTube channel, he's a super cool guy, and was great to meet him in person and talk to him. He said his orange Jeep is over there, the famous orange Jeep. So if you guys follow him, you know he's in he's also driving a Revel too. So that's cool dynamic on his YouTube channel, having the van and the Jeep. So yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you guys some of this. So if you guys can see over there, that's kind of the vendor area, and then right over here, this whole entire area is all the parking. So I think there's over like 200 Revels. So if you look down the lot, you can see like Backwoods bumper. Morning. Backwoods bumper down there, Backwoods bumper there. Lots of storage boxes that we make. Morning. So it is super cool to see everything in action. There's our box that we make. There's another one. These are super cool.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Good. Even like vans like this, man, like they give you such good inspiration for your own overland vehicle. Like if it's a Tacoma or Jeep, whatever. It's pretty cool. There's a Tundra with the GFC. It's pretty dope. There's some more back there. The colors in some of these Revels are excellent. There's Chris's Jeep from Venture Forward. This guy is the most real overlander I can think of. He's been living for, I think, 4 years out on the road in this thing with the Revel. Here's a little better look at Chris's orange Jeep. It's got the super cool, I think it's an Ursa Minor up there, which is an awesome rooftop tent. You can actually get in from the inside, kind of like a GFC in a way for the Jeeps. It's got a cool table here. Everything's super dialed. He's got a goose gear system that he kept in the raw finish, which I think is really cool. It's got everything mounted up. So it's cool seeing this thing in real life, man. Got the twin compressor, come up winch. Very purpose-built, well-built Jeep. So that is cool. He has gone everywhere in this thing, absolutely everywhere. Love it. Maybe you guys can get some ideas from his setup. It's killer though. It's got everything dialed in. Here's some more. Man, it is so cool. I know this isn't the normal content you guys are used to seeing, but oh, we got some more stuff down here. Maybe a little parking lot overflow. Wow. Yeah, Revels everywhere. So cool. It's very interesting. About half of these people with vans have some sort of bike or motorcycle or something. So that is pretty cool. Here's a pretty sweet setup. Sorry, the lighting's kind of whack, but check out this. This is their prototype moto rear carrier. Can fit 2 full-size dirt bikes back here. That is crazy. Really cool setup. Here's a look at the vendor area. So I showed you guys last night. We're back there. You can see my truck. So a lot of cool companies, all talking gear. Love it. Lots of dogs out here. Just everyone is so positive. I love it. Super cool. Hey, what's up, guys? We just made it to Webster's Pass. So we just left the Revel Rally, and now we're here with the Backwoods Adventure Mods crew. So this is going to be the start of the next video series part, I guess, of this Colorado trip. So we're here in beautiful Webster's Pass. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the Revel Rally show, video, and everything. And make sure, if you haven't already, watch the other couple parts before this video. Also, there's going to be a couple more videos from this trip, like the one you're seeing now. So I'm starting that video now. So this is super cool. We're here with the Backwoods Adventure Mods crew. We're doing a big camp ride. Me and Thomas, we planned this whole trip for all these guys to come out. And so we have a good mix of vans. We have a 4Runner over there with our brand new front bumper and roof rack and rooftop tent. We'll have some others joining us later on this trip, but this is a 4-day kind of camp ride before we get to the Overland Mountain West show. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and have a good one. See you in the next one.